Welcome to Home Depot and how to install your new sink. Although a Kraus sink is being shown, the installation process will apply for most top-quality sink brands. Undermount sinks are easy to install with most countertop material. Sinks with soundproofing technology reduce noise, vibration, and will substantially improve your overall experience. Measure your countertop and base cabinet if you plan on repurposing your current sink cutout for your new sink. Typically, sink cabinets will be 3 inches wider than the sink total width. This will allow for proper space requirements during the installation process. Tool list. When you are ready to install, make sure that you have the following tools. Please note that specialized tools may be necessary to install Kraus stainless steel undermount sinks with countertop materials other than wood, marble, or granite. Step 1. Setting and cutting the countertop. Before starting the installation, determine the reveal type. A reveal refers to the amount of sink you see or don't see revealed under the counter. The sink might be exposed under the counter, flushed with the counter, or hidden under the counter. There are 3 options to installing your sink. The recommended installation types are a 3/8 inch positive reveal, a flushed or zero reveal, and a 1/8 inch negative reveal option. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Then use scissors to cut along the paper template for your desired reveal type. Begin step 1 by locating the cutout template. Check that the cutout template is properly sized by aligning it against the actual sink to ensure a proper sized cutout. Next, place the cutout template in the desired location on the countertop. Please make sure there is clearance that is suitable for backsplash, faucet, and plumbing for the sink. Before proceeding, trace the previously placed template on the countertop using a pencil. Remove the template, and if you are installing a faucet, a soap dispenser, air gap, or accessory hole, mark the location for the holes as required. The minimum distance from the edge of the sink cutout to center of the faucet hole is 2.5 inches. Please check with your faucet manufacturer requirements. Finally, cut the openings in the countertop by carefully following the traced line. Please use the appropriate saw that best fits your countertop material. Cut as required and remove the material. Step 2. Drilling the mounting bracket holes. Locate the bottom of the countertop. Take the sink, center it, and align it with the countertop hole. Decide the location for the provided mounting brackets. The mounting holes should be located 1/2 inch from the edge of the sink, as shown. Use a marker and mark the hole locations. Next, use a power drill with a 3/8 diameter drill bit and drill a 1/2 inch deep hole in the countertop. Step 3. Installing the anchors. Locate the previously drilled holes. Take the provided anchors and insert them into the drilled holes. Make sure the open end of the anchor is facing outward, as shown. You might require a hammer to lightly tap the anchors so that they remain flush. Repeat these steps for the remaining anchors. Step 4. Prepping the sink. Locate the sink and place it facing up. Before applying silicone to the sink, clean and dry the surface around the opening of the sink. Next, place a bead of silicone or preferred adhesive around the rim of the sink. Make sure you place silicone around the entire perimeter before continuing. Step 5. Attaching the mounting hardware. After applying silicone on the sink rim, take the sink and place it over the cutout hole from underneath the cabinet. Check the alignment of the sink to the cutout in the countertop and press firmly. Have someone or something assist you keeping the sink in place. Next, take the mounting brackets and place them over the anchors. Place the brackets over the anchors and over the lip of the ring. Locate the mounting hardware and insert the bolts through the bracket and into the anchors. Fully tighten the bolts using a Phillips screwdriver. Repeat these steps and tighten the remaining screws. Allow the sealant to set for 30 to 60 minutes. With the sink tightened into place, locate the putty knife and remove any excess silicone-based sealant from the perimeter of the sink. Use acetone or rubbing alcohol to remove any excess sealant at this time. After the sealant has been set, connect the drain to the sink and trap to the drain. Connect the water supply connections to the faucet according to the manufacturer's instructions. Before using the sink, run water into the sink and check for any leaks. Congratulations! You have completed your sink installation. This instruction guide was brought to you by Kraus and the Home Depot. At Kraus, we are proud to create quality, beautiful products that last a lifetime. We hope you enjoy your new Undermount sink. The Home Depot.